All right guys, so as you can see, I think it's going to tick a lot of boxes for everyone. You've got a nice big awning around the outside, covering all the front and doors on either side. As you can see, it's got massive amounts of ventilation on all four sides, which is fantastic. You've got your gas struts on your sides. You've got this big X-wing hinge. If you're going to be buying a rooftop tent, you want this X-wing hinge because you want all of this clearance. All of the other clamshells that hinge off this point here, I wouldn't waste your time with them. Look at that great ventilation across the back of the rooftop tent. You've got those two crossbars across the top, are pretty heavy duty. They're designed with T-tracks, great for mounting solar panels or maxi tracks, pretty heavy duty. Also, you've got basically inlet slots on both sides for running power inside the actual rooftop tent. You've got heavy duty canvas as well as fly screens on all opening windows. You've got these great pull tabs in relation to the zips, which make it absolutely seamless. Your standard mattress as well as condensation mat included as well, which is fantastic. If we have a look inside, this is an absolute great feature here. You've got this little sort of power brick where you plug your Anderson plug into. You've got two cigarette lighter points. You've got two USB-C points and the USB point, as well as a voltage meter. Ticks, mate, so many boxes, and it's even got a night light built into it, which is fantastic. You've got pouches on both sides of the tent, as well as lighting all round. So you've got lighting strip there at the back, and then further up here, you've got more lighting strips. So you've pretty much got 3 of them covered. You've also got your pockets built in as far as, and your clear pocket for your iPad or your iPhone or for watching videos and whatnot. You've also got up here another ventilation point above the door. So if you close all 3 doors, you've got, what's brilliant is you've got your ventilation at the top, and then you've also got ventilation at the bottom, which is fantastic. Also with the awning itself, you've got these 4 posts that go up, really nice and simple. You've got access from all 3 sides in relation to getting in and out of the rooftop tent. So we've got the ladder position on that side for the moment. That just easily swaps to all 3 sides, and there's all full provisions for that. And then obviously you've got your shoe bag, pretty heavy duty with ventilation at the bottom for drainage, and it's got something like about 5 or 6 pockets built into it. So look, as you can see, mate, it covers absolutely everything. So it comes complete with all your brackets and fittings and T-nuts for installation to crossbar systems. Underneath you've got T-tracks. It's very universal. If you don't have crossbars, you can still install it on your normal roof racks and backbone systems, so it pretty much covers all those bases as well. It also comes with basically obviously your instruction manual, Anderson plug cord, comes with all of the other bits and pieces you would need. The ladder comes with also with a bag. So mate, you've got absolutely everything covered. So go back to the channel and you'll see basically a complete playlist in relation to absolute nth amount of detail in relation to the installation process, cover off more features in absolute detail. There's also a new hoist system I've developed for lifting the rooftop tents on and off your vehicles. So go check out that video as well. As per usual, click on the link either in the description or on the screen, and you can get a discount if you use my discount code davesadventurecalledlife on the OPENROAD website. All right, any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And as per usual, like, subscribe and share around. And if I don't see you out on the road or on the trails, I shall see you in the next video. All right, guys, take it easy. Cheers. Bye.